आणि आम्ही सगळ्या कडेन आम्ही सपोर्ट मागतले आणि म्हाका दिसता तेंच्या सारकी व्यक्ती जेन्ना स्पीकर पोस्टाचेर जेन्ना म्हणजे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून आसा जाल्यार तेमी जेन्ना जेन्ना जे पद घेतले आसा तेन्ना जस्टीस दिल्ले आसा अनुभव आसा वास्ट अनुभव आसा आणि ताका लागून त्यांच्या नावाची सगळ्यांची सहमती आसतली सगळ्यां कडेन आमी तेंचे रिक्वेस्ट करतले हाज्या पयलीं सुद्दां सरकार दुसरो आसतना सुद्दां तेमी स्पीकर पद पयलीं सुद्दां ते आसलेले आणि ते तशें तेमी चलयल्ले आसा आणि त्याच आधाराचेर जेन्ना स्पीकर पोस्ट म्हणटा स्पीकर म्हणटा खंयच्या पार्टीचो ताका लागून आसता ते स्पीकर म्हणटा एक स्वतंत्र हे आसता आणि ताका लागून सगळ्यांतल्यान सिनियर मेंबर म्हणटा ते आसात ह्या हावजाचे 50 वर्सां कंप्लीट जाल्ली आसात तेन्ना तेंच्या नांवाक सगळ्यांची सहमती मेळटली अशें आमकां
Well, it's up to the legislatures. My party is with me. I hope the independents and others will be with me. This is a democratic election, and this is the heart of democracy, that is the legislature. So, let us see. The best man will win.
Sir, have you tried to lobby with other opposition, independent?
Canvassing is always there, but we are always meet. I would request all my MLAs and all my well-wishers.
Will you also convince your son to vote for you? Ishad Rane.
He is one of the opposition members. So I would request all the opposition members to vote for me.
Is that a reason that you are a candidate?
You have been a speaker.
In another 2 years, I will be completing 50 years in the legislature. They must think that they were all unanimous of the view that I should stand for elections. And once I have been a speaker earlier, and I have played a very neutral role. Once you are a speaker, you don't belong to any party. And therefore, it's up to the legislators and their thinking. And I hope that I request, since I have been put up by the Indian National Congress, once I have become a speaker, I belong to the House and an independent person. And whatever the decisions to be taken, I would take them independently. Without any favor.
Thank you.
My son. Hello? Yes, I have filled the form.
भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या वतीन आम्ही आमचे आमदार बाब राजेश पाटणेकर हांचो स्पीकरा खातीर तांचो फॉर्म भरिल्लो आसा आमी ऑलरेडी 4 कॉपीज भरलेल्या एक आमच्या भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या आमदाराच्या वतीन प्रपोज्ड आणि सेकंडेड म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता आमचो बाब प्रवीण जाटीन सेकंडेड केला आणि जोशुआन प्रपोज केला दुसरो फॉर्म जो आमी भरला तो बाब विजय सरदेसायान प्रपोज केला आणि सुभाष शिरोडकरान सेकंडेड केल्लो आसा